Hello and welcome back to another video by Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to tell you about what passive income is and a way to get passive income in 2020. So stay tuned, let's get started. First off, we need to talk about what passive income is, and if you don't know what passive income is, it's definitely something you should research and you should take a look at because it's a good way to make money in 2020. Passive income is a process in which you make something or do something that's going to produce money for you later on, but you don't have to actually be working all the time to earn that money. You don't have to actively be working. So for example, a YouTube channel is a good example of passive income. Why? Because once you put your video out there, people are going to watch it, it's going to collect views, it's going to collect money, but you don't have to make that video again. That video is already made. Now, another good way to make passive income in 2020 is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and earning a commission when you sell that product. Marketplaces such as clickbank.com offer a series of products that you could offer to people through personalized links, and when people click on those links and buy the product within a certain amount of time, you will earn a commission from that sale. So if you go into Clickbank and sign up, you're gonna go to the marketplace, and in the marketplace you're gonna find a lot of products with a lot of information that will tell you if that product is good or not to sell. You can also sign up to other affiliate marketplaces such as ShareASale. ShareASale is a great marketplace. It has a different type of merchandise than Clickbank, and it's also very good to sign up to as many as you can because that way you have a wider pool of selection of products to select from, and the more products you have to select from, the better products you're going to select. ShareASale is great because they have very well-known brands, and you can go into their webpage and preview their merchants before you even sign up. But then again, I recommend that you sign up to ShareASale and that you sign up to as many affiliate marketplaces as you can. Another affiliate marketplace that you should sign up to is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the same process but with Amazon products. So whatever is being sold on Amazon is something that you could sell yourself, and whenever someone buys those products, you could make money through that sale. So for example, if we go into Amazon Associates, we see here they have a series of items that they are offering for us to offer, and for example, this little memory card right here is at a very good price. So we get our personalized link, and then we go to social media or wherever we can find traffic, and we post that link. Once we post that link, people are going to click on it. Once they click on it, they're going to buy the product, and once they buy the product, we are going to make money. Now, it's very important that we take that link to very traffic places. So for example, going back to YouTube, a good way to make passive income is through YouTube videos, but an even better way to make passive income is through affiliate marketing and YouTube. So for example, we have several people right here who are doing reviews about cameras and stuff like that. We have an iPhone 11 Pro versus Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K review, and if we go into the video, we see that this guy Potato Jet has a lot of links right under here on the bio, and if we click on those links, we are going to be sent to a page in which we're going to be able to buy something, and whenever we buy something, he either makes a commission or it's something that he's selling. So let's click on this one right here, and it sends us to page not found. See, that happens sometimes. Sometimes the links get broken, they get messed up and they don't work. But if we click on this lot one, it's gonna send us here $19, right? So we could buy from there. So this guy is making money through people watching their videos and through affiliate marketing or selling his own product, whichever, right? But the key here is that you want to take your links, your personalized links, and you want to put them on very traffic places. So for example, this guy has a link to a kit webpage where he lists his favorite equipment for video making, and if we click on the links on those, it's gonna send us to Amazon, and we can actually buy those products, and he would make money from those sales. Same thing happens here. Here's another video from another person. They have a bunch of links, and if we click on it, it sends us straight to Amazon. It's currently not available, but if it was and I was to buy that product, he would make money. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, I suggest you sign up to the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private community of people building online businesses through affiliate marketing, right? So this club connects course creators, it connects business owners and affiliate marketers in order to help them increase their income by working together. So make sure that you sign up, make sure that you register for the free training and masterclass. The free training and masterclass is really good. It's by Andy Isom. Andy Isom is a YouTuber and an affiliate marketer who made over $45,000 last year on social media without his own product and with very few followers. So why not take this free masterclass and learn from Andy's process, mistakes, and success, right? And start your own affiliate marketplace and affiliate marketplace business so that you can start earning passive income in 2020. Thank you very much for watching. We are very glad to have you here, and we hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. It will help us a lot, and it will help you because we are constantly uploading new videos on how to make money online. So if you want to learn new ways to make money online, stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.